je. Tutup satu. Buka satu, buka dua. Tu. Okay, open your finger.
There should be 2 fingers.
Okay, 2. How many? 2. Good job. Okay. What number? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. How many finger? Count. 1, 2, 5. Okay, today we're gonna learn about what is this? Number. Hey. Yes. Okay, what is this? Kenapa apa? Oh, kat depan. Oh. Apa dia ni? Sorry. Mana tu buat kesilapan? Dan belum stand lagi. Dah betul belum? Dah. Okay. Ni apa? Yang paling finger. So teacher, where's the finger?
So,
Count to count. 1, 2. Okay, count together. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Okay. Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good boy. Okay. Now we gonna learn about what is it? Apa ni? Apa Aiden? Plus. Good job. What is this, Alisa? Yes. What is this, Aisha? Plus. Plus. Okay. Second step. Okay. Pakai mana? Pakai lawan.
1, 2,
Okay, tengok ni senang tak? What number is this? 1. Teacher put here. What number is this? 3. Teacher put here. Okay, now let's count together. Show teacher. Okay. Close all your fingers. Okay, let's count together. What is this? What is this? 1. Okay. Open your one finger. One finger. What is this? What number is this? 3. Okay, open your another 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3.
okay, look, Aiden. How many?
Yes.
Aiden buat 3.
Look at.
Aiden buat 3.
Look at your finger.
Okay, this one 1. This one 1. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, kira. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. Okay, how many?
So Aiden got 4 fingers.
4 fingers. Where's 4? So teacher, where's 4? Good job, put that.
2,
You put here.
3,
Be careful. Good.